some places just bring out the best in you. I can't believe how awesome, how wholesome this place is. And to think that some ancestors stayed here. They were in tune with nature. They were just, just right here with nature. It is just amazing to still stand on the land they stood and see waterfalls that they saw. How could you not appreciate Australia? You gotta be insane to not appreciate this country. One of the best places, if not the best places on the planet Earth. Amazing. Believe me sincerely when I say to you, Australia is one of the best countries in the world, if not the best place in the world. Yeah, nah, this is what I'm talking about. I love adventure. I love being in tune with nature, being out there in the open, and this satisfies that craving. God bless Australia, man. Woohoo! Wow. Oh, wow.